Alright, we're gonna walk across two bridges. It's a long bridge, goes across highway. Said this railroad track goes past my old house. I don't think it does not. It goes down to Edina and kind of circles around, but the other one I walked across starts in another area. But this one is an old bridge, as you can tell. We're in St. Louis Park. It doesn't get used very much, this railroad track. It doesn't. Not very much. So, this is Wooddale Avenue. Very old. Man, heading that way. Used to be able to get off over there by the Holiday gas station. You can't anymore. Of course, being tagged garbage. So, this, I think it was this one, this bridge right over here. Always used to get hit all the time. It was low clearance. This one right up I'm walking up to. Yeah, right over here. Always gets hit. Used to be Golden Auto Parts over there way back. It's the first I've ever heard he was the gold sets of price was Golden Auto. And I asked him for a 65 Chevy Impala something, and he wanted 50 bucks, and I was trying to negotiate, and he goes, he was the gold sets of price. I'm like, okay. So we'll cross here. Can I tell? Old ass bridge. So yeah, this is like a low clearance. I don't see any drug money yet. This is a plumbing and heating distributor over there, I think. I think they are. They've been there for a long time. What's all this stuff? Or balloons? Yeah, this doesn't get used very much. It's in good shape. All those things right there. Pick this stuff up and recycle it. So I don't know where this stuff came from. Probably escaped from somewhere. So escape from someplace. So let's throw one of the things on here. What the hell? There we go. There we go. Oh. Yeah, it looks like they've come through here and done some work on it. You can tell fresh water. Fresh water's a balloon over there. So these are all fresh rocks. I think there's a chemical company at the end down here somewhere that gets their stuff. It will come by the house once in a while in the morning. So this is a bridge. We'll go across the trail that goes by my house. This will connect next to the socialist train. It's an old ass bridge. If you keep going, I was on that bridge down there a month ago. On there, so you can tell instead of picking up after themselves, just throwing the stuff on the train, you know, and recycling it, just throw it around. Unfortunately, you could take those things and throw them off onto cars. So those things should be picked up and recycled by the railroad, but they don't work that way. I don't understand that. So there's over here, to your right over here, where I'm pointing the camera at, that's where one of the mug stations. I was over there in the winter time. So, it's a beautiful day here on the 13th day of, obviously, of September. September 11th was 22 years. So, more stuff here. This is a real old bridge right here, this one I'm going to cross. That's Methodist Hospital over there. So that's the old Walmart over there. Beautiful hump day. I had Chick-fil-A today for lunch. It was good. got some rail right there. It's just, I mean, I don't understand why they don't pick it up where they're going along. Should have a flatbed along with them for the ride. Just throw it up there. It's like cleaning as you go along, right? In the kitchen. Stupid. But I know how the railroad is. My dad worked for them. I know how they work. More crap down there. Go across here, shall we? Maybe we don't want to fall through. Here we go. They're biking. I biked on this trail before. You guys saw me when I biked Swamp Foot. I biked across here. Goes all the way to Hopkins. Kind of a slow uphill incline. They're working down there, you can see. I can hear a train coming right now. So that goes like that. Goes into there. So whatever that socialist train. Kind of a slow incline up that hill. Yeah, here he comes. A lot of guys like those, like train videos. Here he comes. Yeah, the other, if I keep going, maybe that may be behind me. Oh, I'm sorry, behind me is Dakota Park. Behind me is Dakota Park. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm ahead of Dakota Park. So, yeah, all kinds of good graffiti. Kind of tell you want to walk on this thing. You don't want to break your ankle. More garbage. I don't see any drug money. So that kind of goes off over to there. Down over there. But anyways, kind of show you a bridge. Railroad track. Walk across the bridge. I like trains, but they with the railroad, so something new for the, you know, here on 3 videos in a row. I gave you a tunnel, pedestrian bridge, and a train thing. Interesting, huh? So, but anyways, what the hell? So we'll head on back. Wednesday, do the NFL's week 2 already. I tell you what, people crying over the bull-faced liar. It's like, come on, man. I get it. So we'll see if he comes back this year. Super Bowl 59. We'll see if he does. Here comes the train right now. Here he comes. He's coming. They're biking right along there. So yeah, I don't know. He's biking. It's a slow uphill battle up here. So here comes the train. Here he comes. He'll take forever to get here, so I'm not going to wait. So maybe I'll film it on this video for fun. Because people do like train videos. So on top of the bridge, as they cruise along, so I don't know how long the train is, so who knows. But anyways, guys, I hope you like the little walking across the train bridge. It's amazing. I did a 1-minute video over there on TikTok, and it's got over 1,000 views for week 2, but you know, whatever it may be. So here comes the train. So we will wait till I get here. Maybe I'll film it for a separate video. So since I'm here, you got to get lucky and see something like that. So not a very long train in the first place. So we'll see what happens. So let's see. You don't want to step over there. It's open over there. So you could if you wanted to. So here he comes, the train. He's coming. So here he comes. Here comes the train. Choo-choo train. Here he comes. Here he comes. Doot doot. You can see right here, you fall on your ass. So let's go over here. I don't think so. I don't trust myself. Do you? No. So, all right, guys, we're gonna film that train. Here he comes. So he's cruising right along here. So here he comes. Oh, it's a small train, anyways. I think it is. Well, it might be pretty long. We'll see what happens. So, all right, guys. See you next one.